Hi, I'm Brian with Rock River Arms. I was here to talk about an X-Series rifle. If you'd like to visit our website at rockriverarms.com, everything is available on there. We got an X-Series rifle here. It's a new X-Series. This 5.56, 18-inch stainless steel barrel with a Beast muzzle brake, operator A2 stock, the TRO handguard, hoe grip. We guarantee this to shoot it 3/4 of an inch at 100 yards. Nice rifle. Great for 3-gun and coyote hunting. For more information, please visit our website at rockriverarms.com.